Ever wondered how programmers avoid writing the same code over and over again? The answer lies in loops. And today, we're diving into two fundamental looping structures that every programmer must know: the while loop and the do-while loop. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how they work, but also when and why to use them in your projects. Let's get started. First up, what exactly are while and do-while loops? While and do-while loops are control structures in programming that allow us to execute a block of code repeatedly based on a condition. Here's the key difference. A while loop checks the condition before executing the code. If the condition is false at the very beginning, the code won't run at all. A do-while loop, on the other hand, executes the code first and then checks the condition. So, the code will always run at least once, even if the condition is false. Let's start with the while loop. Here's an example in JavaScript. This loop checks if the variable user input is not equal to quit. If it's true, the code inside the loop runs. It prompts the user for input, processes it, and then checks the condition again. Notice how the while loop might never run if user input is already quit when the program starts. So, it's ideal when you need to repeat something only under specific conditions. Now, let's look at the do-while loop. Here's how it works. This loop ensures that the code inside it, like displaying a menu and processing the user's choice, executes at least once, even if choice is initially exit. This makes do-while loops perfect for scenarios where you want to guarantee at least one execution, such as showing a menu or performing an action that's required at least once. So, when should you use these loops? Use a while loop when the condition needs to be checked before any code runs. For example, validating user input before processing it. Use a do-while loop when the code must execute at least once, like displaying a menu or initializing a process. Remember, while loops might never execute if the condition is false, do-while loops guarantee at least one run. In web development, while and do-while loops are invaluable. You can use them for tasks like form validation, ensuring a user's input is valid before submitting it, processing API responses, repeating actions until a response is received or an error is resolved, handling user interactions, like continually showing options until the user chooses to exit. These loops make our programs more efficient and adaptable to different scenarios. Loops are the backbone of automation in programming, and understanding while and do-while loops can unlock a whole new level of coding efficiency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding.